Problem 11. Find the sum of the series 1 minus a square minus a cube, so on n terms. If a not equals to minus 1. Okay. See, find the sum of the series. So what is the series here? 1 minus a square minus a cube, so on. Okay, here n terms are there. Okay. Here what is a1? a1 equals to 1, a2 equals to a3 equals to a square, so on. Okay. a2 by a1 value how much? A by 1, that is, sorry, minus a this one, minus a by 1, that is minus a. a3 by a2 value how much? A square by minus a. So this is also minus a. Therefore, a2 by a1 equals to a2 by 1 equals to a3 by a2. So the given series is in GB. The given series is in GB. In geometric sequence, geometric series. Okay. See, now what is the common ratio here? R equals to a2 by a1. Already we did this one, that is minus e. Okay. Now we will find sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. What is sum of n terms? Sn equals to sum of n terms. Sn equals to sum of the series. Sum of how many numbers are there? N terms are there. Sum of n terms. Sn equals to, okay, a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Here a value how much? A value is first term, that is 1. Into 1 minus r value minus a. Power n by 1 minus r value minus a. Okay. That equals to 1 into anything is same number, leave it. 1 minus a power n by 1 minus of minus is plus a. So sum of n terms in the given series is 1 minus a power n by 1 plus a. Problem 12. Find the sum of the series x cube, x power 5, x power 7, so on n terms. Okay. This series lo the sum of n terms enta avutundo cheppali. So the solution. What is the given series? X cube, x power 5, x power 7, so on. Okay, n terms. So here a1 equals to x cube, a2 equals to x power 5, a3 equals to x power 7, so on. Okay. This is a geometric series because x power 5 by x cube is x square, x power 7 by x power 5 is x square. So common ratio is in, so it is a geometric series. What is the common ratio formula? a2 by a1. R equals to a2 by a1. So x power 5 by a2 value x power 5, a1 value x cube. This is also from a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n, that is x square. Okay. Now we will find the sum of the series. Okay. Sn equals to, what is the formula? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Here a is a1, that is x power 3, r value x square power n, x square power n minus 1 by r is nothing but x square minus 1. Okay. Now see, a power m into a power n. What is the formula? A power m into a power n. A power m whole power n formula. A power m whole power n formula. A power mn. See, x power 3, see, this is also from a power n whole power n. A power m n 2n minus 1 by x square minus 1. So sum of the series of x cube, x power 5, x power 7, so n terms is x cube times x power 2n minus 1 by x square minus 1. Problem 13. Evaluate sigma k equals to 1 to 11, 2 plus 3 power k. Okay. Sigma is nothing but addition. K అనేది 1 నుంచి డబుల్ వరకు చేసుకుంటే ఎడిషన్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? సో సి sigma k equals to 1 to 11, 2 plus 3 power k. Okay. This is split chain, 2 parts. That equals to sigma k equals to 1 to 11, 2 plus sigma k equals to 1 to 11, 3 power k. Sigma k equals to 1 to 11, 2 intense రాసుకోవడం 11 times. So 2 into 11 plus sigma k equals to 1 to 11. Substitute k equals to 1. So 3 power 1 plus k equals to sigma is nothing but addition. 3 power 2, 3 power 3 up to 3 power 11. Okay. 2 times of 11 is 22. So this one 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube plus 1 3 power 11. Now find this sum first. So let us say it is Sn. Sn equals to 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube plus 1 3 power 11. Here A1 equals to 3, A2 equals to 3 square, A3 equals to 3 power 3. Okay. So what is the value of A2? So it is say it is common ratio. A2 by A1 equals to 3 square by 3. So 3 square by 3 value 3. Okay. Now Sn equals to, what is the formula? Sn equals to formula A1 times R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. A1 times R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Here A1 is 3. 3 into R value 3. N value, how many values are there? 11 values. Minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay. 3 into 3 power 11 value 177,147. That means 1,77,147. Minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2. That equals to 3 into 1,77,147 minus 1 is 1,77,146 divided by 2. That equals to 3 into, see 2 how many times? 2 how many times? 2 8s are 16, 1 balance, again 2 8s are 16, 1 balance, 1 1, 2 5s are 10, 1 balance, 2 7s are 2 3s are. So 3 into 88,573. Now see, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 2 balance, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 1 balance, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25, 2 balance, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 2 is 26. Okay, so this value is 2,16,719. Now sigma k equals to 1 to 11, 2 plus 3k, 3 power k equals to how much? 22 plus 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube plus 1 3 4. That value is 2,65,790. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 balance, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, next 7, 5, 6, 2. So final answer is 2,65,741. Problem 14. How many terms of the GP 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, so on are needed to give the sum 3069 by 512? 3 by 2, 3 by 4 series మొత్తం sum ఈ నెంబర్ రావడానికి ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ నీడ్ అవుతాయి? చూడండి 3 plus 3 by 2 how much? 2 3 is 6, 9 by 2 రావడానికి ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ కావాలి? 2 టర్మ్స్ కావాలి. అలాగే sum 3069 by 512 రావడానికి ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ కావాలి? See the solution. First write the given series. 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, so on. Here what is first term? A1 equals to 3, A2 equals to 3 by 2, A3 equals to 3 by 4. This is the series, this is the GP, this is the progression geometry. So R equals to A2 by A1. So A2 value 3 by 2 by 3. So 3 get cancelled, 1 by 2. Okay. Now Sn is given. So Sn equals to how much? Sn equals to 3069 by 512. What is the Sn formula? Sn formula A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R equals to 3069 by 512. Okay. Here A value how much? 3. 3 into 1 minus R value half power n by 1 minus half, that is 1 by 2 equals to 3069 by 512. Observe that here 3 how many times? 3 1s are 3, 3 zeros, 3 2s are 3 3s are 1023. That equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 power n by 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 equals to 1023 by 512. Okay. Now see 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. Okay, This one can be written as C, A by B by C by D. What is the formula? A by B by C by D means A by B into D by C. So this one can be written as 1 minus 1 by 2 power n by 1 by 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So 2 by 1. Okay. So equals to 1023 by 512. Okay. That equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 power n equals to 1023 by this time transpose right side 512 into 2. Okay. That equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 power n equals to 1023 over 512 into 2 is 2 2s are 512 into 2 is 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay. That equals to 1. This time transpose left side 1 minus 1023 by 1024. So these 10 transpose right side. So 1 by 2 power n. Okay. See now 1024 times of 1 is 1024 minus 1023 by 1024 equals to 1 by 2 power n. Okay. 1024 minus 1023 is 1 by 1024 equals to 1 by 2 power n. That equals to 1 by 1024 can be written as 2 power n. That equals to 1 by 2 power n. Next is 1 by 2 power 10 can be written as 1 by 2 whole power 10. 1 power 10 is 1, 2 power 10 equals to 1 by 2 power n. See, this is the form a power m equals to a power n. Then m equals to n. That means 10 equals to n. So the number of terms to require this sum is 3695 is 10. So number of terms equals to 10. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 13 by 12 and their product is minus 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. Okay, 3 terms తీసుకుంటే వాటి sum of 13 by 12 అవ్వాలి, ప్రోడక్ట్ -1 అవ్వాలి. అయితే ఆ కామన్ రేషియో r వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుందో 3 టర్మ్స్ ఏమవుతాయి. ఓకే, see the solution. Let the 3 terms are ఆ 3 terms ఏమనుకుంటారంటే a by r, a, ar. So here common ratio is r. Okay, now product is -1. So a by r into a ar equals to -1. Now a into a is a square, a cube. This is a cube. R get cancelled. A cube equals to -1. So a value also -1. A cube equal to -1 means a is also -1. Now sum is how much? Sum is 13 by 12. Sum equals to 13 by 12. What is sum? Sum is the 3 terms sum. So a by r plus ar equals to 13 by 12. Here a value -1 by r plus -1 into r equals to 13 by 12. Okay, -1 by r plus into minus is minus, plus into minus is minus, r equals to 13 by 12. Okay, -1 by r minus r. Write these two terms, -1 by r minus r equals to 13 by 12. This minus and transpose right side +1. So -1 r times of r is r square by r equals to 13 plus 12 times of 1 is 12. 12 times of 1 is 12 by 12. That equals to -1 minus r square by r equals to 13 plus 12 is 25. 25 by 12. Okay, do cross multiplication. So 12 into -1 minus r square equals to 25 into r. So 12 into -1 is -12. 12 into minus r square is -12 r square equals to 25 r. Write in a proper order. This term transpose to right side. -12 r square transpose to right side plus 12 r square. Already here 25 r is there. -12 transpose to right side plus 12 equals to 0. This is the in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, what is the quadratic formula to find the roots? R equals to, actually the formula is x equals to -b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here the equation in the form of r. So r equals to -b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a, b, c. Okay. Now minus b. So minus 25 plus or minus b square 25 square minus 4, a value 12, c value also 12. Okay. By 2a, 2 times of 12. So that equals to minus 25 plus or minus 25 square 525, sorry 625 minus 12 also 144. 144 times 4. 4 4 the 16, 4 4 the 16, 17, 4 1 the 4, 5. 576 by 2 12 the 24. Okay. That equals to minus 25 plus or minus 5 minus 6 is 9. Okay. Next here 1 is there, 1 minus 7 is 4, 49 by 24. That equals to minus 25 plus or minus square root of 49 value is 7 by 24. Therefore r equals to here two values are there, minus 25 plus 7 by 24, and another r is minus 25 minus 7 by 24 plus or minus. So this is minus 25 plus 7 is minus 18 by 24. So 6 3 times, 6 4 times, that equals to minus 3 by 4. So r is having the value minus 3 by 4. Second r kuda vastundu chudandi okasari. So r equals to minus 25 plus 7 is minus 32 by 24. 8 4s are 8 3s are. So minus 4 by 3. This is the r value. Okay. Here two r values are there. Now two types of terms are there. See the first one. If r equals to minus 3 by 4. Okay. If r equals to minus 3 by 4, what are the terms here? A by r. That is equal to a value minus 1 by minus 3 by 4. Minus get cancelled. 4 by 3. Second one is a. Already know the value a equals to minus 1. A value minus 1 into r value minus 3 by 4. So minus get cancelled. 1 times of 3 by 4 is 3 by 4. Therefore, if r equals to minus 3 by 4, the values are, okay, the terms are. What are the terms? 4 by 3, minus 1, 3 by 4. Okay. In the second case, if r equals to minus 4 by 3, see the first one, a by r, first term, a by r. What is the value of a? Minus 1 by r value minus 4 by 3. So minus get cancelled. 1 by 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. Next, a value, a equals to minus 1. So a times of r, a value how much? So minus 1 into r value minus 4 by 3. So minus get cancelled. 4 by 3. So in this case the terms are, second case the terms are, first one is 3 by 4, second one is minus 1, 4 by 3. See the problem number 16. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of next 3 terms is 128. Determine the first term, the common ratio and the sum of 2 n terms of the GP. Okay, GP lo first 3 terms sum 16, next 3 terms sum is what? 4 5 6 sum 188. Either first term find out cheyali, common ratio find out cheyali, sum of n terms find out chesukovali. See the solution. What is given first? S3 is given. S3 equals to how much? S3 equals to 16. S3 means what? Sum of first 3 terms. So that means a plus AR square equal to 16. Okay. That equals, a is the common here. 1 plus R square equal to 16. Say it is 1. It is 1. Also given that, and still what is given? Next 3 terms. So S next 3, X next 3 equals to how much? 128. So next 3 means what? A into R square. Next 3 means A4 is nothing but AR cube. A5, AR power 4, A6, AR power 5 equals to 128. So here R cube is common. AR cube is common. So 1 plus here there is come here 1 plus r square equals to 128. Say it is 2. Divide 2 by 1. 2 by 1 change. Divide 2 by 1. What is 2? ar cube into 1 plus r square by 1 value how much? a into 1 plus r square equals to what is the value of 128. 1 value is 16. So now see once 1 plus r square, 1 plus r square cancel. A also cancel. So next r cube equals to, observe that here also 16 128. So r cube equals to 8. So r cube equals to 8 can be written as 2 power 3. So a power m equals to b power n, then m equals a equals to b. So r equals to 2. Now I got the value r. Okay. Now substitute r equals to 2 in 1 or 2. So in 1. So what is 1? a into 1 plus r square equals to 16. So a into 1 plus r value 2 plus r square 2 square equals to 16. So a times 1 plus 2 square value 4 equals to 16. So a into 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7 equals to 16. So a equals to 16, 7 transpose rates are divided by 7. This is the value of a. Now we will find sum of n terms, that means Sn. What is the Sn formula? A into basic, observe that here r greater than 1. So if r greater than 1, Sn equals to r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So here the value of a is 16 by 7 into r value 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 16 by 7 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1. So 16 by 7 2 power n minus 1 by 1 is same 2 power n minus 1. Therefore see here determine the first term. What is the first term? First term is a1. So first term, here 3 terms are there. First term a equals to 16 by 7. Next common ratio 2. So common ratio equals to 2. Common ratio r equals to 2. And the last one is sum of n terms. Sum of n terms Sn equals to 16 over 7 2 power n minus 1. Problem 17. Given a GP a equals to 729 and 7th term 64. Determine S7. First term 729, 7th term 64. Aithe sum of first 7 terms ante meer find out cheyali. See the solution. Given a equals to 729 and a7 is given. What is the value of a7? 64. a7 formula a into r power 6 equals to 64. So a value how much? 729 into r power 6 equals to 64. So r power 6 equals to 64 over 729. So 64 can be written as 2 power 6. 729 can be written as 3 power 6. So 2 power 6 by 3 power 6 is 2 by 3 whole power 6. R power 6 equals to. Now therefore r equals to 2 by 3. Why it is in the form a power m by a power m equals to b power m. So a equals to b. So r equals to 2 by 3. Now we will find S7. So here r is less than 1. So S7. What is the Sn formula actually? Sn formula a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. So now I want S7, sum of n 7 terms. So a value how much? 729 29 into 1 minus r value 2 by 3. R value 2 by 3 whole power n, okay, whole power n minus divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3. That equals to 729 into 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power n over 1 minus 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 3. Okay. That equals to 729. 3 transpose to numerator, multiply with 3. So 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power n. 3 9s are 27. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 7s are 21. 2187 into 1 minus 2 by 3 power n. Problem 18. Find a GP for which sum of first 3 terms is 4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third term. Find a GP. Sum of first 2 terms. So is 4. See the solution. Sum of first 2 terms is nothing but a1 plus a2 equals to minus 4. So here a1 is nothing but a, a2 is nothing but ar equals to minus 4. Take a is the common here. 1 plus r equals to minus 4. Okay, leave it. And the fifth term is 4 times the third term. So end. Fifth term is 4 times the third term. The third term is a3. Fifth term is nothing but a times r power 3 equals to 4 times a cube is nothing but r square. A times r square. So here a get cancelled. Okay. So fifth term is nothing but a times r power 4. So here r power 4 r square. So r power 4 r square transpose to right side divided by r square equals to 4. So this is also from a power n by a power n. So a power m minus n equals to 4. So r square equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. R square equals to 4. So r equals to root transpose to right side square root of 4. R equals to plus r minus 2. Okay. See. If r equals to 2, now the value of a, see, if r equals to 2, a times of 1 plus r equals to minus 4. So a times r value to 2 plus 1, that is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals to minus 4. A times 3 equals to minus 4. A equals to minus 4 by 3. Okay, this is the first case. In the second case, if r equals to minus 2, what is the value of a? So a times 1 plus r equals to minus 4. A times 1 plus r value minus 2 equals to minus 4. A times 1 plus into minus is minus 2 equals to minus 4. A into minus 1 equals to minus 4. A equals to minus 4. Minus 1 transpose right side divided by minus 1. So minus minus cancel. A equals to 4. Okay. Now see the two cases here. Now find the GP. Okay. See case 1. If r equals to a equals to minus 3 and r equals to a equals to minus 4 by 3 and r equals to 2. See r equals to 2. A equals to minus 4 by 3. What is the first term? A equals to minus 4 by 3. Second term. So a1 equals to a. Okay, a1 equals to a equals to. Second term a2 equals to a times r. So a value minus 4 by 3 times r value how much? 2. Minus 8 by 3. So third term a equals to a times r square. A value minus 4 by 3, r value 2 square. So minus 4 by 3 into 2 square value 4, that is minus 16 by 3. Therefore GP. Okay, GP equals to first minus 4 by 3, minus 8 by 3, minus 16 by 3, so on. This is the case 1. In the second case, r equals to minus 2. Okay, case 2. If r equals to minus 2 and then a value how much? 4. A value 4. Okay. See first a1 equals to 4. A2 equals to A times R. So 4 times R value how much 2? 4 times 2 is 8. A3 equals to A times R square. So A times 4 into 2 square. So 4 into 4, that is 16. So now what is the GP now? First term 4, 8, 16, so on. Problem 19. If the 4th, 10th and 16th terms of a GP are x, y, z respectively, prove that x, y, z are in GP. Okay. 4th term, 10th term, 16th term GP lo unnai. So x GP lo unnai. What is the values of the 4th, 10th and 16th x, y, z? సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? XYZ అనేది జీపీలో ఉంటుందని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, 3 టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ జీపీ. 3 టర్మ్స్ జీపీలో ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి. ఏబిసిఆర్ జీపీలో ఉంటే కండిషన్ ఏంటి? బి స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏసీ. బి స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏసీ అయిందంటే ఏబిసి అనేది జీపీలో ఉంటాయి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇచ్చింది చూడండి ఒకసారి. సో సొల్యూషన్ హియర్ 4th టర్మ్ ఇస్ x, దట్ మీన్స్ a4 ఈక్వల్స్ టు x. a4 means a into r power 3 equals to x. Next 10th term, a10 equals to how much? Y. So a into r power 9 equals to y. So third condition is 16th term, a16 equals to z. So a times r power 15 equals to z. Okay, these are the values. Okay, first find y square. చూడండి, xyz అనేవి జీపీలో ఉండాలంటే కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే y square equals to xz అవ్వాలి. సో y square చేయండి ఫస్ట్. What is the value of y? A into r power 9 whole square. Square is కాబట్టి square. Now see, a square into r power 9 whole square. So ab whole power m, a power m, b power m. So a square, a power m whole power n, a power mn, 9 into 2. So a square into 9 2s are 18, r power 18. Next xz. So x is a into r cube. Z is a into r power 15. So a into a is a square. A power m into b power m. A power m plus n. So that equals to a square into r power 18. Observe cheyandi, y square equal from these two conditions. So a square into r power 18, here also a square into r power 18. Therefore y square equals to xz. సో y square equal to xz అయిందంటే ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పించుకోండి. y square equal to xz అయిందంటే x y z అనేవి ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి? జీపీలో ఉంటాయి. therefore x y g are in gp. See problem number 20. Find the sum of the sequence 7, 77, 777, 7777 up to n times. వీటన్నిటి సమ్ చేస్తే మీకు ఎంత వస్తుందో చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, see first what is the right given sequence? Right given sequence 7, 77, 777, 7777. Okay, now we sum cheyali kabatti say yes అని అనుకోండి. Sum of n times, so on. Okay, so 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus 7777 plus so on. Okay, this is not a GP. This GP avadu. Okay, so first do one thing. Sn equals to 7. Take 7 is the common here. So 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111 plus so on. Okay, enter. Okay, that equals to 7. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? 9 తో డివైడ్ చేసి 9 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుంది. సో 9 తో డివైడ్ చేసి 9 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus so on. Last term is n terms. So here how many terms are there? N terms. Okay, so 7 by 9. 9 times of 1 is 9, 99, 999 plus so on n terms. Okay, so 7 by 9, 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. That is 10 square minus 1. 999 can be written as 10 cube minus 1 plus so on n terms. Okay, now divide tens and ones. So 7 by 9. Okay, so 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus up to n times plus, okay, up to n times, right? plus, take minus is the common next, so minus common is there, so here 1 is there, 1, here also 1 plus 1 plus 1, up to how many terms are there? N terms. Okay, now see, take this one, solve this one. So 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus 1 n terms. So here a1 is how much? A1 equals to 10, a2 equals to 10 square, a3 equals to 10 cube. So this is the geometric series, geometric property. See the difference, 10 square by 10 is 10, 10 cube by 10 square is 10. So a2 by a1, a2 by a1, this is the common ratio r, a2 by a1 equals to 10 square by 10, that is 10. Okay, now what is the sum of this series? Okay, sum equals to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1, a into r power n minus 1 by n r minus 1. So here a value a1, that is 10, into r value 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1, that equals to 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, now we will find this value, Sn value. So since Sn equals to 7 by 9 into 10 plus 10 square plus so on n terms, okay, minus 1 plus 1 so on n terms. Okay, see, that equals to 7 by 9. This is the value how much? 10 plus 10 square plus 10 power 3 value. Here what is the value of that one? 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9. Okay, minus, here how many ones are there? N ones are there, so n, that equals to leave it. This is the final answer only. So sum of n terms, that is Sn equals to 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus so on, is 7 by 9 into 10 times 10 power n minus 1 by 9 minus n.